Today we talk about how can you find rank on your Goodnovel app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find your rank. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. Just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on edit box or you just click on, you just click here on rank here. So then here you will find your ranks. So or rank booking here, booking, you will find them here in this list. So that's all you have to do to find it here in their new box. So trading here and here monthly, then here new. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.